The Bingchat Drone 4K camera model boasts an impressive 4K high-definition camera with a 3-axis gimbal and electronic image stabilization, providing crystal-clear images and videos even in challenging conditions. With a flight time of up to 82 minutes, thanks to its 2 powerful batteries, this drone allows for extended aerial photography sessions without frequent recharging interruptions. The drone's 5 miles long-range capability ensures stable image transmission, making it ideal for capturing distant landscapes and scenes without worrying about connectivity issues. Its touchscreen tablet controller, supporting Google Apps, enhances user experience by combining drone control with the convenience of a tablet. Constructed with a carbon fiber frame, the Bingchat drone is both lightweight and durable, offering enhanced portability and resistance to wear and tear. Special features like payload release, rainproof design, and night vision mode make this drone versatile for various shooting conditions and creative photography techniques.